Welcome to my YouTube channel. And that is Math with Teens. Our topic for today is the continuation of our last video lesson, and that is equations transformable into quadratic equations, part 2. Let us continue the examples of equations transformable into quadratic equation. So, number 3, solve the rational algebraic equation 6 over x plus x minus 3 all over 4 is equal to 2. For this equation, you will need is get the LCD of the denominator. Our denominator is x and 4. So that's why our LCD is 4x. We will multiply these three terms into 4x. Okay. So 4x divided by x become 4. Then 4 times 6 is this. Plus 4x divided by 4. So cancel 4. So it becomes x times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 2 times 4x. Okay, did you get class? The next one. 4 times 6 is 24 plus x times x is equal to x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x is equal to 8x. And then x squared, let us arrange this. X squared minus 3x transpose positive 8x will become negative 8x plus 24 is equal to 0. And then, copy x squared. So, negative 3, then negative 8 is equal to negative 11x plus 24 is equal to 0. So, we're going to use factoring. So, what are the factors? So, the factors are the quantity of x minus 8 times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 0. And the value of x are 8 and 3. Positive 8 and positive 3 is our solution. So let us find out if the answers are correct by checking from the original equation. X is equal to 8. So from this equation, we need to substitute the value of x. Okay. 8, yung x become 8. So, it becomes 6 over 8 plus, so this is x, so become x minus 3 all over 4 equals 2. 6 over 8, lowest term is 3/4 plus 8 minus 3 is 5 over 4 equals 2. So, the same denominator, so you can add the numerator. 3 plus 5 is 8. Copy the denominator, 4 is equal to 2. So, 8 over 4 is equal to 2. So, they are equal, meaning the solution of 8 satisfies the original equation, so that's why our answer is correct. How about number 3? So, in our equation, substitute 3 into x. So, it becomes 6 over 3 there plus, this is x. So, 3 minus 3 over 4 is equal to 2. Next, 6 over 3 plus 3 minus 3 is 0 over 4 is equal to 2. And then, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 0 divided by 4 is 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. They are equal. So both solutions or both roots are satisfy the original equation. That's why our answer are correct. Okay, let us have the last example. Find the roots of x plus 8 over x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4x over x minus 2. In our equation, the denominators are x minus 2 and also x minus 2. So we're going to get the LCD, and that is x minus 2. We're going to multiply each term by x minus 2. So let us multiply now. X minus 2 times x, so this one. X minus 2 times 8 over x minus 2, you just cancel x minus 2. So the remaining is 8. Equals x minus 2 times 1, this. Plus 4x over x minus 2 times x minus 2, cancel. Again, cancel the x minus 2. And that will become 4x. So, let us simplify. X times the quantity of x minus 2 will become x squared minus 2x plus 8. Bring down. Equals x. Then 1 times negative 2 is negative 2 plus 4x. Bring down. Simplify. Let us transpose this 3 into the left side. So it becomes x squared minus 2x minus 5x. Where do we get 5? X plus 4x is 5x, positive. When we transpose, become negative 5x. Plus 8, the negative 2 become positive 2 equals 0. So our standard form is x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So let us factor. So the factors are the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x minus 2 is equal to 0. The values are x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 2. That's our the solution. 5 and 2. How do you find if this is correct? Let us substitute. Okay. On that equation, the original equation, our x is 5. So let us substitute. This is x, so become 5 plus 8, copy. X is 5 minus 2 equals 1 plus 4, copy. X is 5 also over 5 minus 2. Then, copy 5. 8 over 3, yes, equals 1 plus 4 times 5 is 20 over 3. And then, 15 plus 8 over 3, where do we get that? The LCD is 3. 3 times 5, 15. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 8 is 8. The LCD here is 3 also. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 20 is 20. Then let us simplify. 15 plus 8 is 23 over 3. 3 plus 20 is 23 also over 3. So meaning, they are equal. The solution is correct. How about the other one? Substitute. So, x is 2, yes, plus 8 over 2 minus 2 is equal to 1. 4 times 2 all over 2 minus 2. Then, 2 plus 8 over 0 is equal to 1 plus 8 over 0. 8 over x minus 2 is undefined or does not exist because 8 divided by 0 is undefined. So, x equals 2 is an extraneous root or solution of the equation. Meaning, we can get the answer of 2 but does not satisfy the original equation. And that we call extraneous root. Okay, an extraneous root or solution is a solution of an equation derived from an original equation. However, it is not a solution of the original equation. Yes, you get the solution, but if we check and does not satisfy the original equation, that we call the extraneous root. Okay guys, that's the end of our topic today. Yes. So, hope you will learn our topic today. Yes. And guys, thank you for watching. God bless.